In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Maps. We'll do this in a web browser and I'll walk you through what to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so you know you're fully signed out, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. First, open Google Maps in your browser. The quickest way is to type maps.google.com into the address bar and press enter. Give the page a moment to load. In the top right corner, look for your profile image or a coloured circle with your initial. That's the indicator that you're currently signed in. If you don't see a profile image or initial and instead see a sign in button, you're already signed out and there's nothing else you need to do in this session. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens the account menu for Google Maps in your current browser profile. At the top of that menu, you'll see the active account you're using. If you manage multiple Google accounts, you may see options to switch between them here. That's useful context because signing out will affect the account listed at the top, and in many cases it applies to other Google services in the same browser profile. Now click sign out. The sign out option is near the bottom of that profile menu. After you click it, the page may refresh or take you back to the Maps homepage. To confirm it worked, check the top right corner again. You should now see a sign in button instead of your profile picture. This indicates you're no longer signed into Google Maps in this browser profile. Keep in mind that signing out here typically signs you out of your Google account across other Google services in the same browser, such as Gmail or YouTube, especially if they're open in the same profile. If you notice that you're immediately signed back in, your browser might be using an automatic sign-in setting or a synced browser profile. In that case, try closing and reopening the tab, or use a separate browser profile for different accounts to keep things clean. On shared or public devices, it's a good idea to close all browser windows after signing out and avoid saving passwords. That's it, you've successfully signed out of Google Maps on the web. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, try it now so you know exactly where everything is the next time you need to switch accounts or protect your privacy.